Bahay Tibay, ang bilis ilagay. Isang araw lang siya, may bahay ka na.
Hi, so today we are here at Mafil Transit, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, to interview a proud owner of Bahay Tibay. We have here Mr. James Alvin Baya, Operations Manager. What options did you consider to purchase Bahay Tibay?
We come from Quezon City. On the way here, we passed by Jacinto. So we saw the advertisement and then we tried. Then it's okay. Actually, this is the second unit. The first one is the single. We made it as our bodega. So this is the office na. 3 units combined.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how do you recommend us? I mean,
8.
Bumagyo man o lumindol o bumaha, basta may lupa ka. Isang araw lang siya, may bahay tibay ka na.
Visit us at JacintoColor Steel Showroom located at Jacinto Compound across SM Fairview,
Novaliches, Quezon City.
For inquiries, contact us at 0917-875-1867 or 7219-8484 or log on to www.JacintoColorSteel.com.